If you want to change the visibility of your repository in GitHub, these are the exact steps that you're going to follow in order for you to do that. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com, and then from this page, you'll be taken to your dashboard once you're done logging in or creating an account. Now from your dashboard, you're going to look over to the top right corner of the screen until you can see this profile icon. So you can see this is the open user navigation menu. You're going to click on that, and then from there, from the drop down menu that'll appear, you're going to click on repositories. From the repositories page, you're just going to look for the repository that you want to change the visibility of. You're going to click on it. And then from the information page of this one, you're going to click on the settings tab at the top. So just click on the settings tab right here. It will take you to the settings page. It will first take you to this general page. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to scroll all the way down until you find the danger zone section. So this danger zone section is where you can see the change repository visibility. So as you can see here, this repository is currently private. So what we're going to do is you're just going to click on change visibility right here. And then I'm going to change this one to public. Now, you're just going to confirm this. You're going to click on I want to make this repository public, and then you're going to click on I have read and understand these effects. Now, as you can see here, you can just confirm this once again and click on make this repository public. And once you're done that, your repository will be turned into public. So we're just going to scroll down so that we can confirm. And as you can see here, this repository is currently public and it's no longer private. So the same thing goes if your repository is public and you want to turn it into private. And that's it. That is how you're going to change your repository visibility in GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.